Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Grate your potatoes. Put them in a half pan full of water. I used to throw in a little salt. Let them sit for 15 minutes or soften. Put a pile of them on your griddle or hot pan. Let them steam off a bit. Pour some oil in the middle of them and cover with a melting dome or something similar.
Let's help you make your mark.
Quickly rinse to get any residual starch off. Then pat the potatoes down with a towel. You'll want to remove as much moisture as possible because this will prevent your hash browns from getting as crisp as possible.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sprinkle some droplets of water on the skillet to make sure it isn't too hot. A properly preheated pan is one of the keys to keeping the hash browns from sticking to the pan. If the water immediately vaporizes into steam, the pan is too hot.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.